Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to explain lesson number 10. As a summary wise, I am going to explain. Already in the online lecture, this lesson it is taught. But those are not attended online lecture, for them, this lesson as a summary wise I am explaining in this video. The name of chapter is Baji Prabhu and the Memorable Battle of Ghodkhind. Now Ghodkhind is what? It is one place, both side mountain it is and middle road it is there. Like this area, a place that is called in Marathi Khind. And here one Ghodkhind it was there. And at the Ghodkhind there was one battle and which was memorable. Means easily it will remember. Like this one battle was there that we are going to see in this chapter. Shivaji killed Afzal Khan and Bijapur was still mourning. Means it was in deep sorrow because of the death of Afzal Khan. And that time Shivaji what done? Shivaji captured Panagarh from the Bijapur garrison. Garrison means what? Soldiers. Adil Shah was angry because Shivaji captured Panagarh fort from his soldiers. So he sent Siddhi Johar with his huge army to defeat Shivaji. With Siddhi Fazl Khan, the son of Afzal Khan, he also wanted to take revenge. Sood, he wanted to take off his father's death. So he also went with Siddhi Johar to defeat Shivaji. Shivaji was on Panagarh, so Siddhi Johar put siege to Panagarh. Siege means make army to stand around the fort. In Marathi we say Veda Ghalne. Siddhi Johar was brave but ruthless, means he was not having any pity or kindness towards people. He put siege to Panagarh and confined, means shut Shivaji into the fort. And Shivaji, it was not possible to Shivaji to come down. So Shivaji what done? He used some tricks and what he done? He escaped from the Panagarh fort. How he escaped from the Panagarh fort? See, escape means run away, पळून जाणे. Two palanquin means palki. It was kept ready. One was for Shivaji, from difficult route Shivaji was going to escape from the Panagarh fort, and another palki was kept for person who has disguised as Shivaji. Disguised means change the appearance, means look like somebody. A person who disguised as the Shivaji was a hairdresser in the Shivaji service. Hairdresser means a person who cut hair. That person is called hairdresser. And his name was Shiva Kashid. Means two palanquin was kept ready. In one palanquin who sat Shivaji, in another who sat Shiva Kashid. And when Siddhi Johar come to know about Shivaji escape from the Panagarh fort, and in that palanquin there was Shiva Kashid. That time he killed Shiva Kashid. When Shivaji escaped, means run away from Panagarh fort, that time with Shivaji, Baji Prabhu Deshpande and some selected soldiers were there. When Siddhi Johari come to know that Shivaji has ran away from that fort, that time he sent his another Sardar, that is Siddhi Masood, to deal with Shivaji or defeat to Shivaji. Siddhi Masood was having huge army, means lots of soldiers or army he was having, and they were fast galloping, means going towards Ghodkhind Pass. Shivaji saw this and Shivaji felt that it was impossible to reach Vishagarh. So he told Baji Prabhu that we'll turn back and we'll face the enemy. But Baji Prabhu what told to Shivaji? Maharaj, you must proceed to Vishagarh. I shall defend, means protect this pass, and will not let the enemy to cross this pass. Shivaji don't want to go to Vishagarh to leave his companion in a difficulty, but he was helpless, so he proceeded further to the Vishagarh. Before going to Vishagarh, he told that as soon as I gain the fort, means I will go on the fort, gun will be fired, and that will be signal of my safe arrival at the Vishagarh. And when gunfire will be there, that time you abandoned, leave the fort. Like this Shivaji told to Baji Prabhu, and follow us to the fort. When Shivaji was going towards the Vishagarh, that time back At the Ghodkind Pass, there was the battle between Baji Prabhu Deshpande and the army of Siddhi Masud. In this battle, Baji Prabhu was fatally wounded, means पूर्ण जखमी झाला होता तो. He was going to die. Like this his situation was there. But he was hanging on to the life, means he was alive to listen or hear the sound of gunfire from the Vishagad, because when there will be sound of gunfire from the Vishagad, that will be signal of safety or safely Shivaji has reached to Vishagad. So he was alive, and when he heard the gunfire, that time he breathed his last on the historical battlefield. Means at Ghodkind he died, and though he was wounded, his body was covered with the blood. Then also he was fighting, and his blood, it made the Ghodkind a holy place in Swarajya. So Ghodkind is known as Pawankind. Means only Ghodkind became immortal, means Amar, living forever in history as a Pawankind. Pawankind means Pavitra Khind, means as a holy place in Swarajya. Ghodkind is known, means because of the blood of the soldiers like Baji Prabhu and the other army of his, the Ghodkind became a holy place in Swarajya, and it is known or immortal in history as a Pawankind. We pay our repeated homage. Homage means respect to the brave Baji Prabhu and his brave men. Their blood made the Ghodkind a place holy in Swarajya. Their blood means what here? Means while fighting in the battlefield, they were wounded. Means their body was covered with blood. Blood was there, injury was there, and from the blood was coming. And in that situation, they fight and they die there. So Baji Prabhu and their other brave men, their blood made the Ghodkind a holy place in Swarajya, it is told. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Students, here EVS 2 exercise of chapter 10 it is given. This exercise you have to copy in EVS 2 workbook. See the question number properly and copy it and learn. Thank you.